Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Subscribe to us if you have not already so you could not miss a thing in the future. Now today we have something new for you. Let's get started. Friends, who does not love beautiful and trendy wooden cabinet in kitchen room? I think you would agree that almost everyone loves to have a beautiful and trendy cabinet in kitchen inside the house. Living to uppers, small kitchen and large big kitchen. Heavy kitchen has beautiful and trendy cabinet for all things, for crockery and all usable things. Beautiful and trendy cabinet are available in my video. There you can see most trendy and stylish cabinet for kitchen design and ideas. Friends, this does not mean that one cannot still have beautiful cabinet in their kitchen. See here for compact cabinet ideas for small kitchens. If you love trendy cabinet, even just for the cozy kitchen, they offer this idea book will be helpful for you to understand the facts, figures and details about cabinet, where and how you can plan to have beautiful and trendy cabinet in your house and kitchen. But to consider before you start constructing cabinet in or out kitchen's wall of your kitchen and the various kind of cabinet that you can have for your kitchen. A professional will help you to a great extent regarding these aspects. Read to find out all about the cabinet for your kitchen, what to keep in mind before planning, what to consider a suspended kitchen, whether in from a home or kitchen renovation. Viewers, everything designed for increased efficiency. A well-designed kitchen cabinet comprises several features that distract from the size of the area. These include storage, cook space, and the efficient place out among other things. If you are designing in your kitchen